Kempegowda International Airport (KIA) has officially extended the free parking duration at Terminal 1 arrival to 15 minutes effective December 26. The revised policy applies to all private vehicles and taxi services using the designated curbside pickup zones. The decision was announced by Bengaluru International Airport Limited after reviewing passenger and stakeholder feedback during the peak December festive rush. The extension replaces the earlier 10-minute limit introduced on December 13, which had triggered criticism from travelers and cab operators. According to BIAL, the move aims to provide greater convenience and flexibility for passengers and their families while ensuring a smoother curbside pickup experience. Under the revised rules, commercial vehicles exceeding the free 15-minute window will be charged Rs 100 for the first 30 minutes and 50 rupees for every additional hour. Previously, cabs were required to wait in the designated P3 and P4 parking areas with a 10-minute complimentary period. To ease access to these parking zones, BIAL has deployed shuttle services running every 7 minutes, along with 6 cars and 10 electric buggies operating between Terminal 1 and the P3-P4 pickup areas.